up, vloggers? On this edition of TripleChip's Adventures vlog, we're going to be replacing, I got this Honda generator for our food truck, and it had a dead battery, so I had to get rid of that one. I went and picked up one of these multi-sport, and it's got the AGM technology. It's the ETX9. I'll just leave the price in the description someplace there. Here I'm looking all around. Where's the bolts for it? Well, you get some bolts on it right here, so that's what you're going to use to fasten it in. And the generator which we're installing it in is on it's a big guy. It's a Honda inverter, the EU6500is. It's got the cold climate technology, so we're going to be doing a pop-up pretty soon, so I need this for the food truck. So what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to need a 10mm wrench. Okay, we're just going to simply take off the access panel right here. Just comes off like that. The other thing I removed too was there's a nut down here. That's a 10mm that releases this strap, and that's going to hold your battery securely in place. So we're just going to hook up. Just see how this goes here. Sneak that around that side like that, I guess. I don't know what you got these big suckers on here for. So those just simply pop out. Maybe that makes a better contact somehow. Because I got them on here for some reason, but it doesn't say what they're for. Pop them off. You got these two gold rings. I think that just makes better contact on your post, so we're just gonna put that behind like so. I'm just gonna thread our screw right through there. Looks like. Okay, I gotta get a different screwdriver too. Once you get to the actual battery, you need a Phillips. So I'll just grab a Phillips screwdriver here. Hand me a toolbox here. Phillips. Simply the star one. Get that side fastened. This one's got like a boot around it, so we're just gonna do. I just think it's for making. Ouch, man, rocks here. Pop this one off too. A little tricky to pop off there. Yeah, I just got too big of a screwdriver, but let's see if we can get it. There we go. Gonna do the same on this one. Actually, it might work better if you put them on, maybe on the outside of it instead. Maybe I'll take the other one off and I'll do the same. That way it should go in a lot easier then. This post is good. Why are they going like that? So you couldn't have had it so it went down like that, so it's got, you got this little bar in the way on the side though. Weird. Because it won't really let you turn it sideways. So I'm just going to get a pliers and bend that. So it sits a lot flatter. A little bit of modification here. Stick a vice grip in a pliers. Just going to modify this little piece on the side here. way too loose. Bite into that one. Let's fold this little wing out. Oh, it's not. What the heck? Oh, really tight, I guess. There we go. What I'm simply doing is just a little clip on the side here. Oh, I almost felt like it's going to break off. But this way I can get a nice flat surface on this then. Let's get this boot out of the way. And it's just going to sit a lot flatter then. Look here. Screw in here. See, it was originally designed that this boot would stretch over that. Oh, that one we'll just leave like that. But what I forgot to do is feed this strap over it. We can still get that. I'll just put this strap over top of it. Just bear with me, guys, because I've never done one of these. What's this one? What is that for? Wow, hopefully that's... What is this back here? Just... Well, I don't know. Hopefully that's... Well, we'll see when we go to start this thing. Okay, that's just gonna drop into place like that. Just gonna take your strap, stretch it down till it locks on that guy. Take our little... Let's turn this way. Okay, that's tight. Before we put the car back on, we're just going to see if we got power here. Yeah, we got a light there. We just won't put the cover on just yet. I see eco throttle, circuit protector, and cold start on the Honda. Shut that off for now. All the other stuff we gotta do. Simply gonna put this back on. And tighten that back up. Oh, yeah, so once again, these are available at your local NAPA. I will put a price on the screen, but that's EMG technology. No need to add acid to it. Spill proof, sealed, maintenance free, vibration resistant design, long life. With winter coming up right away, just make sure, like, I'm only going to run this for the next month or so, and pull that battery out. Otherwise, this battery is like well over $100. I know that. I've checked out some in other places, almost $400 for some. So that about wraps it up for how to install a battery in your generator. I'm sure most of them are similar, but this is how you do it on the Honda. So if you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you could please subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 1,000 followers, make this 2020 something a little bit better. So we'll catch you next time. Chip out. Vlog is over. Catch you next time.